Kelallur Nilakantha Somayaji was a major mathematician and astronomer of the Kerala School of Astronomy and Mathematics. One of his most influential works was the comprehensive astronomical treatise Tantrasamgraha, completed in 1501. He had also composed an elaborate commentary on Aryabhatiya called the Aryabhatiya Bhasya. In this Bhasya, Nilakantha had discussed infinite series expansions of trigonometric functions and problems of algebra and spherical geometry. Biographical is a manual on making observations in astronomy based on instruments of the time. Biographical details. Nilakantha Somayaji was one of the very few authors of the scholarly traditions of India who had cared to record details about his own life and times. So fortunately a few accurate particulars about Nilakantha Somayaji are known. In one of his works titled Siddhanta Star and also in his own commentary on Siddhanta Darpana, Nilakantha Somayaji has stated that he was born on Kali Day 1,660,181, which works out to the 14th of June 1444 CE. A contemporary reference to Nilakantha Somayaji in a Malayalam work on astrology implies that Somayaji lived to a ripe old age, even to become a centenarian. Sankaravarya, a pupil of Nilakantha Somayaji, in his commentary on Tantrasamgraha titled Tantrasamgraha Vyakya, points out that the first and last verses of Tantrasamgraha contain chronograms specifying the Kali days of the commencement and of completion of Somayaji's magnum opus Tantrasamgraha. Both these days occur in 1500 CE. In Aryabhatiya Bhasya, Nilakantha Somayaji has stated that he was the son of Jatavedas and he had a brother named Sankara. Somayaji has further stated that he was a bhatta belonging to the Gargu Gotra and was a follower of Asvalayana Sutra of Rigveda. References in his own Laghu Ramayana indicate that Nilakantha Somayaji was a member of the Kelallur family residing at Kundagrama, now known as Trikandiyu in modern Tirur, Kerala. His wife was named Arya and he had two sons, Rama and Dakshinamurti. Nilakantha Somayaji studied Vedanta and some aspects of astronomy under one Ravi. However, it was Damodara, son of Karaladriganita author Paramesvara, who initiated him into the science of astronomy and instructed him in the basic principles of mathematical computations. The great Malayalam poet Thunchadu Ramanujan as Hardochan is said to have been a student of Nilakantha Somayaji. The epithet Somayaji is a title assigned to or assumed by a Namputiri who has performed the Vedic ritual of Somayajna. So it could be surmised that Nilakantha Somayaji had also performed a Somayajna ritual and assumed the title of a Somayaji in later life. In colloquial Malayalam usage, the word Somayaji has been corrupted to Komatiri. Nilakantha Somayaji as a polymath. Nilakantha's writings substantiate his knowledge of several branches of Indian philosophy and culture. It is said that he could refer to a Mimamsa authority to establish his viewpoint in a debate and with equal felicity apply grammatical dictum to the same purpose. In his writings he refers to a Mimamsa authority, quotes extensively from Pingala's Chanda's Sutra scriptures, Dharmasastras, Bhagavata and Vishnu Purana also. Sundararaja, a contemporary Tamil astronomer, refers to Nilakantha as Saddarshani Paringata, one who had mastered the 6 systems of Indian philosophy, astronomy, In his Tantrasamgraha, Nilakantha revised Aryabhatiya's model for the planets Mercury and Venus. His equation of the center for these planets remained the most accurate until the time of Johannes Kepler in the 17th century. In his Aryabhatiya Bhasya, a commentary on Aryabhatiya's Aryabhatiya, Nilakantha developed a computational system for a partially heliocentric planetary model in which Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn orbit the Sun, which in turn orbits the Earth, similar to the Tychonic system later proposed by Tycho Brahe in the late 16th century. Most astronomers of the Kerala school who followed him accepted this planetary model. Works of Nilakantha Somayaji. The following is a brief description of the works by Nilakantha Somayaji dealing with astronomy and mathematics. Tantrasamgraha, Golasara, description of basic astronomical elements and procedures. Siddhantadharpana, a short work in 32 slokas enunciating the astronomical constants with reference to the Kalpa and specifying his views on astronomical concepts and topics. Chandracharyaganita, a work in 32 verses on the methods for the calculation of time from the measurement of the shadow of the gnomon cast by the moon and vice versa. Aryabhatiya Bhasya, elaborate commentary on Aryabhatiya. Siddhantadharpana Vyakya, commentary on his own Siddhantadharpana. Chandracharyaganita Vyakya, commentary on his own Chandracharyaganita. Sundaraja Prasnohara, Nilakantha's answers to questions posed by Sundaraja, a Tamil Nadu-based astronomer. Grayanadipantha, rationale of the necessity of correcting old astronomical constants by observations. Grahaparaksakhrama, description of the principles and methods for verifying astronomical computations by regular observations. Jyotirmamamsa, analysis of astronomy.